How is that possible?
How is that possible?
How is that possible?
How is that possible?
A new face cream from Paris.
You can't conceive. How is that possible?
How is that possible? I mean, have you seen you?
So what's the question?
How is that possible?
Well, we're almost out of gas.
What? How is that possible when you're driving for less than an hour?
It hid from thermal technology.
Really?
How is that possible?
How is that possible? What am I saying? Of course it's possible.
No way, he's ready for that.
How is that possible?
I don't know how, Mac. I just know he is. He's been a step ahead every time.
How is that possible?
I guess she became a nun, apparently. You know what she's like.
A nun?
Apparently.
But they've been gone for years.
Years? How is that possible?
Because they died years ago. Which part is confusing you?
I think you're being a little rude.
I'm being rude. You've been rude to me this entire evening.
How is that possible? I've hardly spoken to you since we got on the train.
How is that possible?
Oh, trust me, it's possible.
Who would do such an awful thing?
I would.
How is that possible?
I don't know, but it means you're stuck with me all summer.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that, but I'm not that sorry.